Hello. Today we are going to perform division using very interesting tools that are sorting rings and these transparent coins. The objective of this activity is to develop an understanding about different methods of division. The kit contains 15 sorting rings and transparent coins in various colors. We can start by initiating a discussion among students about the concept of division and revise various factors related to it, such as what is dividend, divisor, quotient or remainder. After a quick revision of the division concept, we can ask students to choose any two numbers of their choice for division. For example, let's say we want to divide 21 by 3. Here, we will use sorting rings and transparent coins to perform the division by grouping. In this method, dividend will be shown through coins and the number of used sorting rings will give the quotient. To do that, we should pick 21 coins first out of the whole lot. Here we have 21 coins. This represents the dividend, which is 21. Now to divide it by the divisor 3, we will put 3 coins at one place out of whole 21 coins and enclose them by one ring. 1, 2, 3, like this. We'll keep doing the same until all the coins are enclosed in the groups of 3 and place the remaining coins, if any, outside the sorting rings. Now let's count the total number of sorting rings used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means when we divide 21 by 3, we get 7 as quotient. Here, we need to tell students that we got no remainder because the dividend was fully divisible by the divisor. So, let's take other random numbers where the dividend is not fully divisible by the divisor. Say 40 is to be divided by 6. Similarly, ask students to keep the numbers in groups of 6 and put sorting rings enclosing them one by one like this. As we can see, only up to 6 sorting rings can be placed over the groups of coins, and we are left with 4 coins at the end. That means it does not complete the next group of 6. It implies that while dividing 40 by 6, we get 6 as quotient, while 4 as remainder. We need to remind students here that this happened because the dividend 40 was not fully divisible by the divisor 6. This is how we do division by grouping using transparent coins and sorting rings. Further, we can also show students how to do division by sharing. For example, let's say we have to divide 35 by 7. Contrary to the grouping method, here we will put all the sorting rings first and then put coin into them one by one. As we have to divide 35 by 7, we will put 7 sorting rings at first place and start putting coins into the rings one by one like this. Continue the same until all the rings carry equal number of coins. As we can see, each sorting ring carry 5 coins. That means when we divide 35 by 7, we get 5 as quotient. Here, we need to remind students that we didn't get anything as remainder because dividend 35 was completely divisible by divisor 7. But when we perform division between two such numbers which are not fully divisible by each other, we keep aside all those coins as remainder, which couldn't fill any sorting rings equally. Same way, we can take many other number combinations and perform division using sorting rings and transparent coins. Some activity cards have been given with the kit which can be used for more practice of the concept. Some random numbers can also be given on the cards for performing division using these sorting rings and coins. Thank you.